I definitely highly recommend using this rack to organize your pots and pans, because if your cabinet is anything like ours, everything in there is chaotic and stacked on each other. So that means to get anything out, you first have to take several things out, get the thing you need, put it all back. But this rack completely changes that because each pot and pan is sitting on its own shelf, so no more stacking items and moving a bunch of things just to get to the one thing that you need. And this is definitely the easiest thing in your house to organize, because it's as simple as just putting this rack in your cabinet and putting your pots and pans in it, and you're done. It'll take you less than 10 minutes to dramatically change this one part in your kitchen that could be such a headache because pots and pans are really heavy. And this rack does a really great job of holding all of your heavy cookware. It's super strong and it's customizable. Each of these racks kind of just clip into the main frame, so you can put them at any height that works for you for as many pots and pans as you have. The whole rack is metal and it has a matte black finish to it. And there are actually two size shelves. There's a bigger shelf and a smaller one. And it was super easy to put together. It took me less than 5 minutes to do. You can see in the before and after what a dramatic difference this made in our cabinet. And now it's just so much easier to find what you're looking for. And it just helps us to utilize our space so much better. You definitely can't go wrong by getting this pot rack for your kitchen.